Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you all recognize this plant? Yes, this is the wood apple. Last year only we planted this plant from seeds. Actually, it is very easy to grow this plant from seeds. But there is one problem with this plant though, which is that this plant's roots grow very quickly. So if you grow it in a pot, there may be a chance that your plant has root bound. That's why this rainy season we changed the pot of this plant. We also did hard pruning of the root and we also cut the stem for lateral branching. Hopefully this plant gets better. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.